first things first is we're drawing our grid. I need a pencil and a piece of paper and of course a ruler. Now I'm going to be using a Sharpie to draw my grid, but you're going to use something that is erasable. The grid I'm drawing is going to be 12 by 6 inches. Make sure that your ruler is parallel to the edge of the paper. This is the long ways, drawing 12 inches. Next, I'm going to draw the edges. So I'm going to start at the 0 and make sure that the last line is on the 6 and draw a line there. Look at how I'm continuing to have my ruler be parallel to the edge of the paper. And I'm going to do the same thing on this side. Now this ruler is see-through so that I can still see the edge of the paper, which it comes in handy. Right. Now I'm going to close off my box. And it's never going to be perfect, but we're going to try to make it close to perfect. That is close to perfect. Next thing we're going to do to make our 2 by 2 inch grid is we're going to make dashes on all the even numbers. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Two, 4, 6, 8, 10. Right. I draw dashes on the top and bottom so that it's easier to make this line when I create it parallel to the edge. So I'm going to make these dashes meet each other and draw a line. And look at how nice and parallel that is. All right, I have my 5 parallel lines and my 6 columns. There's always going to be 5 lines and 6 columns. All right, and now I need to make 2 dashes on here at the 2 and 4. So I'm going to make a dash at 2 and at 4. I'm going to do the same thing on this side so that there, you got it, parallel. 2, 4. Now I take my ruler, I meet those lines together, and we got some perfect squares. And that is how you make a grid. This grid is 2 inches by 2 inches, and it has 6 boxes this way and 3 boxes this way. So it's a 6 inch by 12 inch grid.